Google Chrome won't open. Let's learn how to solve this problem now. First, you're going to do the following. You're going to right-click here on the Start menu, and you're going to click on Task Manager. And then you're going to check if there are any Google Chrome processes running in the background. And you're going to end them. You're going to close them here. Look for Google Chrome here. If you click here on this drop-down on this little arrow, you'll see in my case there are several processes open here. I have it open right now. And you're just going to select it and click End Task. And another thing, you're going to scroll down here and look for any other processes down here in the background that are open, and you're going to end those too. Because this here could be preventing it from opening, from running normally. Close it, open it, click on it to see if it will open. If it opens, let us know in the comments. If not, let's move on to the second way to solve this problem. The second way to solve Google Chrome not opening, you go to the Start menu once again, you're going to right-click. And you're going to click on Run. Or use the shortcut Windows key plus R, which will also open Run. So here, right-click Run, and we get to this part, okay? You are going to type app data just like you see here. Click OK. Once you are here, you are going to click on Local. And here you are going to look for the Google folder, okay? It is right here, Google. This folder here, look what you are going to do. You are going to click here. You are going to right-click on it. Click on Rename. If you are using Windows 10, the Rename option will appear directly. If not, you click here on Show More Options and click Rename. And then you are going to type .old like this here. Okay. Take a look here. Do it this way. Confirm, give an OK, press Enter. And then you close this and open Google again. See if it will open. It will probably open. If it opens, let us know in the comments. If that does not work, let us move on to the next way to solve this problem. Next way to solve the Chrome will not open problem. Go here to File Explorer. Click here on this PC. Click on Local Disk C, and here you go to Program Files. If you do not find the folder we are going to use now, you go to the folder below. But usually it is in this first one. And then you are going to Google to Chrome, and you go to Chrome, okay? Go to Application. And here in Chrome, you are going to right-click on it. And you are going to click here on More Options, Show More Options. Send to Desktop. What are we doing here? We are creating a new shortcut for Google. I am going to close this, look here, and we have a new shortcut for it here, okay? This might work for you too. If it works, comment below. If it does not work, look here. What are we going to do? You will have to reinstall Google Chrome, exactly. You will have to reinstall it, and then you will have to delete that version that you are using. How do you do it? You go here to Start. Type Control Panel. I like to go like this. There are other ways to do it, but oops, I clicked wrong. Look here. You're going to type here Control Panel. There are other ways to do this here, but I like this traditional way. And then you're going to look here for Programs and Features. Here. And then you're going to look for Google Chrome. And you're going to uninstall it, okay? Very easy. Click on Uninstall. Keep confirming. I'm not going to uninstall mine here, obviously, but you're going to do this. And one detail is that if you have your history, synchronized information there, saved in Google's history actually, it will delete everything. You'll have to log everything in again, but if it's synchronized with your Google account, that's better. Because when you install it, it will give you that option to import your stuff. This here is a little more drastic, but if nothing I taught you works, you'll have to do this. And reinstall it again. And this will probably be the solution that's going to be definitive. If I helped you, let me know in the comments. I'll leave other important videos here that some of them will help you. Take a look at those videos there. I'll see you in the next videos. May God bless you, and see you later.